Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the check VSC light on your Lexus IS250. This warning light signals an issue with your vehicle's stability control system, but it often points to other underlying problems. Don't panic. It's usually not a direct stability control failure. Your immediate action should be to connect an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to your car's diagnostic port. This will help you read any stored trouble codes, which are crucial for pinpointing the exact cause of the warning. Many different issues can trigger the check VSC light. One of the most common culprits is a failing oxygen sensor, which affects your engine's fuel mixture. Engine misfires, perhaps from worn spark plugs or a faulty ignition coil, are another frequent cause. Surprisingly, even a loose or damaged gas cap can sometimes be the reason. Additionally, problems with your anti-lock braking system sensors or even low brake fluid can also activate this warning. To accurately diagnose the problem, begin by using your OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to retrieve the specific diagnostic trouble codes. These codes, like P0420 for a catalytic converter issue or P0301 for a cylinder 1 misfire, will direct you to the failing component. After getting the codes, perform a visual inspection. Check your spark plugs, ignition coils, and all related wiring for any visible damage. Also, confirm your brake fluid is at the correct level and your gas cap is tightly sealed. Once you've identified the root cause using your scanner, proceed with the necessary repairs. This might involve replacing a faulty oxygen sensor, installing new spark plugs, or swapping out a defective ignition coil. After completing the repairs, use your OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear the diagnostic trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. Then, take your Lexus IS250 for a short drive, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes, to ensure the check VSC light does not reappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.